In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a draft email in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever found yourself needing to step away from your computer or simply want to take a break from composing an email, knowing how to save your progress without losing anything is essential. Let's walk through this simple yet crucial process together. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. If it's not already up and running, go ahead and launch the application on your computer. Once you have Outlook open, locate the email you want to save as a draft. This could be an email you've started composing but need more time to finish, or perhaps one you've been working on and want to review later. With your email open and in front of you, let's move on to the next step. You'll see a few different tab options at the top of your Outlook window, typically in the ribbon area. For saving a draft, we want to focus on the Save tab, which is where you'll find what you need. Once you've located this area, you'll see an option labeled Save Draft. For those who haven't used this feature before, here's a little tip. The Save Draft function is incredibly handy as it allows you to preserve your current email as it is. This way, you don't have to worry about any text getting lost if you need to close the program or switch tasks. So simply glance over at that area and find Save Draft. Once you locate the Save Draft button, simply click on it. It really is as easy as that. You should be able to see a notification or indication somewhere in the Outlook window confirming that your draft has been saved. Outlook will generally store this draft in the Drafts folder, which you can access at any time from your mailbox navigation pane on the left side of your Outlook window. After saving your draft, you can close the email window if you need to step away or focus on something else. Rest assured that your work is safely tucked away for when you're ready to pick up where you left off. And that's really all there is to it. Saving a draft in Outlook is a quick process that provides peace of mind, ensuring that your message, whether big or small, is saved for future completion. Whenever you're ready, you can navigate back to the Drafts folder, click on your saved draft, and continue writing without missing a beat. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial. Remember, saving drafts is a simple yet powerful tool in Outlook that helps you manage your tasks more efficiently. Happy emailing!